maum.ai embodied AI, driven by MAAL, SUDA, and WERV, accelerates productivity by seamlessly replacing manual tasks in industrial settings. E-type, Expert AI. M-type, Call Center Agent AI.
This is a visible Voicebot service by MAUM.ai. Please click on the SMS link you received. Hello, I am the AI counselor for MAAL service reservation call center. Please be aware that our conversation is being recorded for quality assurance purposes. To make a reservation, say reservation.
Reservation.
To make your reservation, say change. I will assist you in making a service reservation. Please let me know the service center you would like to make a reservation for.
Brighton.
May I assist you in making a reservation at MAAL Brighton Service Centre, 1 Nepean Highway, Elstonwick, Victoria?
Yes.
Please provide the last 4 digits of the license plate number for the reservation.
3456.
Is it 3, 4, 5, 6?
Yes.
We are currently searching for the license plate number. Please wait a moment. To proceed with the service center reservation, we require your consent for personal information.
B-type, Receptionist AI. maum.ai's barrier-free kiosk is easy and accessible for everyone. From left, there is a microphone or a phone. Campus information. Increase text size. Decrease text size. Volume level 2. Volume level 3. Activate contrast mode. Deactivate contrast mode. When you hear a ding-dong sound, please tell me your name and status. If voice input is difficult, please press the call staff button on the panel. The microphone will be open for 4 seconds.
maum.ai.
Welcome to Dongseo University. Please wait for the staff. Hello, this is AI student. How may I help you? D-type, Mobile Guide Robot AI.
Hello, nice to meet you. Can you tell me about foundation model MAAL?
MAAL is a language foundation model designed to enable AI to make judgments and respond naturally, even in unexpected situations. Much like
It's too long. Can you summarize this sentence?
MAAL is an advanced language model that helps AI respond naturally and make human-like decisions.
Then I want to go Maum Touch.
Should I go to the maum Touch product?
Yes, please.
Moving to maum Touch.
Then can you tell me about this product short sentence?
Certainly, the maum Touch is a barrier-free kiosk designed for easy use by people with visual, hearing, and physical impairments. It offers 13 features to meet social demand and can be used in public, educational, and financial institutions. If you'd like to hear more about other products, feel free to let me know.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need more information, feel free to ask.
E-Type, mobile guide robot with manipulation AI.
Hello there, welcome to Maum Cafe. How's your day going so far? If you need any help with our coffee menu or non-coffee drinks, feel free to ask.
Could you show me the menu, please?
Of course, here's what we have on our menu. Coffee drinks, ice Americano,
Can you recommend me any
$1.
drink for me?
Absolutely, if you're in the mood for something refreshing and fruity, the Hallabong Addy is quite popular. It's made with Hallabong syrup and sparkling water,
Then
offering
can I
a
get
sweet
a
and
one
tangy
iced
taste.
Americano and one lemonade?
Sure, one ice Americano and one lemon Addy, making 2 drinks in total. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, but could you switch lemon into green grape?
No problem at all. So you would like one ice Americano and one green grape Addy, totaling 2 drinks, right?
Yes, please.